Hola there, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this movie poster by Paul HLP. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing to do right now is to have or to create the text effect. That is the text we're going to be using. You know, look at the image very well. It was designed very well. You will see that two set of persons are in this design. On this design, you'll find some set of cowboys on the left, three of them shooting against a family that is on the right, hiding behind the text vacation. So without further ado, what are we going to do right now? We're going to create all the text. That is this. So I'm going to remove this guy here. We'll begin by creating those text. So let's start. Let's say this one first. Let's type here Mel Gibson. All right, that's the first text, and we're going to use a normal font. So let's use something like Louvgard is not bad because we're going to stretch it actually. So if we use Louvgard, let's leave it there. All right. So we can do everything at once. It can still work like that. So let me show you how to do that. So after I've gotten this one, we can reduce it like this. Then we'll copy right here. We're going to write the other text. So here we can write how I spent my. All right, then we're going to use a long font for it. How I spent my summer vacation. So let's use this one. We'll make it bold, then we'll bring it here, we'll drag it here. All right, okay, then here we'll copy it, we'll put the word summer there. All right, then we'll bring it there, we'll also drag it. Then the last but not the least is going to be vacation there. So I'm just trying to use one stone to kill all these birds. So vacation, right? So now we have to make sure that everything is like properly set. Okay, so everything is properly set. So we'll click here, put vacation at the middle, then we'll come here, we'll stretch this one a little. So let's put it from here. All right, then we will increase it. So let's increase. So increase. Okay, let's just stop there. Then we'll bring it to the top. I will take it up a little. All right, okay, then this one here will still adjust it. So let me use a line so that we'll know what we're doing. The line should be here too. All right, so this one here we'll bring it here, then we increase it. All right, then we'll take it to the top, something like that. Then this guy here we'll bring it here, we'll also increase it. Okay, then we'll take it to the top. This one is quite close. So now that we have something like this, all we need to do now is to get the design as how the text is going to look like. So to do that, we're going to bring in this guy here. All right, then we're going to pick the colors. All right, so for this one, I'm just going to click here, click on the plus, click on this color dropper, and then click on this one. So I'm done with that one. Okay, then for these ones, we're going to do a gradient, and it's going to be a radiant gradient. So click here and we'll select this one here. Then for here, we'll select the dark part of this vacation, which is this one here. Then for this one, which is the middle, we're going to select this guy here. So we have something like this, right? But we have to move this in like this so that we'll have this. All right, so that's what we'll choose for this one too. All right, though we know it's not so perfect, but that's more like it. You understand? So this is it. All right, so now that I've created this, what we need to do now is to save it. So just come here, click on this, and we'll save it as a PNG, that is without background. All right, after you have saved it, then we can still come here. Let me remove all these ones. If you come here, you'll see that there's something else in the original design. All right, we have going south fast. So let's type here going south, then there's a dot, then there's fast. Now we're going to use the same font type, that is we'll use Bibans. Then we would come to this alignment and use a right alignment. All right, so after that we change the color to this color here. All right, we'll make it bold and then close up the line space a bit. All right, so after that, after we're done with this one, we'll save it to, so let's increase it like this. Then there's another word in cinema, April 13. So I'm going to just copy this one. All right, I'll put it there, like in cinema, April 13. It's just a one word. We're going to use the same word. Either we use this one, I think this is not bad, so we'll just stretch it out like this. So this is 2. All right, then we'll save it. Okay, save as a PNG Ultra. All right, so I've saved it. Okay, so now we'll go back now to the design and how we want it to be. So I want to use this shape, so I'm just going to click here. All right, I want to use a white background. So watch what I'm going to do now. I want to use a white background, and I want that see what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on this, and I'll put the background that I want, which is this one here, and I will import the images. So let me bring the images that I want to use. So this is part of it. All right, this part of it. But if I do this, watch, if I do this and I remove this white background here, it's going to be removed also from the images, which is not what I want. All right, so that means we're going to split this image into 2. I remove the background from them. All right, so that is, we'll come here to photo room and we're going to remove the background from the image. That's the only way we can actually control the image, which is this one. I think one of them is already done. I think we have that already, so let's check. So let's bring in this image here. I think this one here, you see that now. So all we need to do now is to drag it. So do it to like this video and then share it with a friend. I'm going to drag it here, or drag it here. All right, I'll close it up. Now I'm going to bring in the first text. All right, then I'm going to crop it because we'll be controlling it. So let me crop it so that it's easy for me to adjust it. I have cropped it. I'm going to reduce it. All right, then the next thing I want to do right now is to come to where we have perspective and enable it. Then I will move this here. I will move this Meg Gibson here. Then this vacation, I'll move it here. Now you need to make sure that the vacation is looking like it's coming out. Then this vacation is also looking like it's going at the back of these people here. Then I'm going to move this one here. Then this one, I'm going to move it here. So let's have something like this. All right. Okay. So after that, let me drag this one here. Let me drag this one here. So look very well. Okay. So after I've done this, we want to reduce it a little. Then we'll bring it here. Then it means that we can duplicate these images. I still feel like we should bring this one here. Okay. All right. Then I need to duplicate these images. That is, let's see. I'm going to click here. I'm going to duplicate. Then I'm going to come here and crop this one out. That is going to be on its own like this. Then I will copy this and crop this one out. It's going to be on its own. Now I'm going to come here and I will delete this one so that this guy can actually be here. Right? I see that now. Then we can come over here and where is it? We can come over here now and add the text and every other thing. Remember, there's one text we actually did here, which is this one. So this one we're going to crop it now. We'll copy it like this. Then we'll crop one of them. This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Do what to like this video. Then we're going to reduce it. Now reducing it will not make it fit into that part there. So that is why we have to come to perspective and adjust it. So if it's not working very well for you, just zoom in like this and then try to adjust it. All right, so I'm moving it here. I'm moving this one here. All right, so while you're adjusting it, just be watching very well. Then this guy here, this one here, we're going to crop it also. We'll crop this one like this, and then we're going to make it kind of sit on the like to lie on the floor. Like, we're going to push it like this. We're going to push this one like this. Then we're going to push this one in. We'll push this one out like this. Okay, I have to take it to the top so that I can see what I'm doing. So I'm coming here now, pushing it like this. Okay, let's bring it here and bring this one here. All right, so I can come here now and I can bring this one here, reduce it, all right, and bring it there. All right, so something like that, sha. But it's not properly sitting, so I can do this, just adjust it a little. All right, something like that. Then let me bring you something that we're going to work with. So I have this guy here. That I'm going to put at the base there. Though it's not exactly everything that I want, but let's see how it works. So we can just come here, enable this color, then we will reduce it, then come to perspective, enable it, drag it here, drag this one 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 here, put it there, still put this one here, put this one here. All right, so something like that. Okay, you seen that now. So after that, we're going to make the what's it called, the bullet brush out. So we'll come here, we will click on this. So let's see if photo room can actually give us the best result. So click here and see. Now if photo room doesn't give us the best result, I'll tell you what to do, but it's going to give us. All right, so all we need to do is to come click here, transparent here. Okay, don't forget to like this video and share with a friend. All right, okay, so for many of you here, many of you listening to me, many of you watching this video right now, I need to let you know that God is not a man that he should lie. As you are living your life, you need to be planning for tomorrow. One thing I notice about many young people is that they don't have plans for tomorrow. No plans for tomorrow. So what is going to happen to them tomorrow? They don't even think about it. So I'm going to put this here. So have plans for your tomorrow. You get? Have plans for your tomorrow. While you are doing design now, or whatever you are doing right now that is giving you money, it may not be there always. It may not be there all the time. So you want to ensure that. So let's get shadows that we're going to be using to make a shadow on Pixellab. Click here, click on sticker, click here, and then click here and lock it first. Then move, just move it to the middle here. After you've done that, unlock it. Then this guy is going to become a shadow. So a black shadow, which we are going to be using here. So I'm just going to stretch it out like this. Do it like this. Rotate it. All right. Rotate it. Okay. If it's too obvious, you can reduce the opacity. All right. Then for this one, you can come here. You can do this. You can reduce this. You can put it here. All right. I'm going to send that to the back. So I'll bring this one here. Rotate it. Bring it here. Close the gap. So it's there like that. Then copy this one. Put it here for this guy's leg. So we have those three shadow. I'm going to see okay, something like that, right? Then I'm going to send all of them, one to the back, this to the back, and this to the back. All right, so we have something like that, right? Then you can see how I'm creating the design. All right, then part of this guy's bum, which is here, supposed to have that shadow effect, right? Then we're going to bring this picture to the top. All right, so this is what we have. Don't forget to like this video. So you need to save for your tomorrow. All right, save for your future. Save for your future. Start planning for the things that you're going to live with tomorrow. You know, I was in a class and one of the ladies was talking about pension, and you that is a self-employed person, you don't have a pension. You know, many people that are employed as civil workers in the government, are working with government, they have an hope that after a while, that is after they have worked for a while and attain certain level in their career, in their work that they, would get to a point where, so you see, I want to make it warm now. They'll get to a point where when they retire, okay, after retirement, they're going to be paying them pension. Sometimes it could be maybe up to like 200k. All right, it depends on your level, 200k monthly, or it depends on you, on your level, like I said. So that is just it. But for you that is a freelancer, you don't have that kind of hope that maybe at old age, when you can no longer work, somebody's going to be paying you pension. No, you don't have that kind of hope. That is why you need to be wise. That is why when you are having money now, you need to be building structures. All right, you need to be building structures that would save you when you are old, when you get old. All right, so that you don't beg when you get to that age. So when you're done, just click on export and click on save. My name is Dhanryalpeter, and I hope you're learning from me. So that is very, very important. One of the structure you can build is that you can start using your money to buy lands. You can start using your money to build real businesses that can be fetching you money even when you are not there. All right. Then you can also get digital asset. All right. You can buy crypto. You can invest in the stock market. All right. You can get on YouTube. YouTube is one of the most profitable means of livelihood and retirement plan, because your YouTube channel, once it's monetized, pays you every month as long as you meet their threshold. So you need to have all those plans as a young person. Don't think that money is always going to be coming. Sometimes money may not come. And what are your plans? What have you put in place so that you don't end up begging people for food when you eventually get old? This is just a little wisdom, and I pray that you understand. Please tell me what you learned from this video. My name is Dhanryalpeter, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.